So, yan, good afternoon. Ay, parang hindi sila kumain. Good afternoon!
Good afternoon!
Goodbye, kapatid. Pagkat sa piling ko'y lagi. Mahal ka, mahal kita, Panginoon. So, good mahal kita, mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may hindi tayo pagpapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y langit, Panginoon. Kaya nga, kailan may hindi tayo pagpapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y langit, mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. And of course, let's go over books. Mga praise you. Walang alis. Mga pastor na here. Ayan. Let's see kung sino mga magaling sumaya sa voice. 1, 2, 3. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may di tayo papapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y langit, mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Isa pa, mahal na mahal. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Ayan, so maraming thank you so much. You may request Pastor Bell to be
Our Father, whom you created us in your image. And Father, as we gather here this afternoon to continue learning from you, in the name of your beloved Son, Jesus Christ, through this leadership training mission that is being extended by one of your local churches at the Los Angeles.
Neck. Waist massage. Waist massage. Out and about waist. 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 Turn around about waist. Once more, please. Head massage. Head massage. Neck massage. Neck massage. Shoulder massage. Now waist massage. Can you do that? Okay, before you go back there, see, make sure that have okay, now choose a team captain. Choose a bawal, do not use your phone. Okay? Do not use your phone. Okay? You need to be fast because they're fast. At hindi natin sa tinuruan ng leksyon. Uulit. Alam niyo po nangyari, nahuli. Nung una nakalusot. Sabi niya anak ko, kasi tuwing Lunes, Quiapo or San Agustin?
San Agustin.
The correct answer is San Agustin! 15 for Talinget. 16 for Team Tagdalek. Lagi nakakalimutan bilangan ng Central Station. It's 16! 2-0. 2-0. 32. 0.
32.
It's 32 degrees! 2-1. The question is Fahrenheit. 2-1. Gymnastics or synchronized swimming.
Gymnastics. Synchronized swimming.
It's gymnastics! Sige, pwede kayo sa mga. Parehas kayo Thailand ang sagot. Pero nauna siya nagsabi ng Thailand. Okay. Umabot or Itigabela?
Humabot.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Pigafetta. The first Filipino Christian, si Pigafetta. It's Sumabot. Score 3-2. Lipovitan or Coca-Cola? The correct answer is Coca-Cola! All
San Miguel.
MLD na lang.
PLD, Philippine Luzon District. Okay, the correct. Okay, score. The score. Pandesal literally means what?
Salted bread.
Huh?
Salted bread.
Is it hot bread or salted bread?
Salted bread.
Pan means bread. Sal means salt. It's salted bread. All five? Tama? All five. The correct answer is Garbo. Sabat
France.
the bronze. 7-5. Kissing or wet dreams?
Wet dreams. Kissing.
The correct answer is kissing! 8-5. 8-5. Poppers or duck racers?
Dog racer.
So sabi ng Team Taglamig Poppers, sabi ng Team Tag-Init duck racers, the correct answers, pinapalaki doon pato, kaya tawag doon sa kanilang lugar ay paperos. It's duck racers! 8-6. Nationalista o liberal? Liberal.
Nationalista.
Nationalista. Nakakahabol. 8-6. The correct answer is Nationalista! 8-7. Lucky bread or
Lucky bread.
Ano? Parehas kayong lucky bread. Nag-jumit pa kayo eh. Hopya literally means good bread. And the winner is Team Taglamig! Congratulations, Team Taglamig. Pakihati-hati na. Sila ko din. Sige, hati-hati kayo. When it comes to leader behavior, tandaan nyo, if it's not moving forward, it's not leading. Na parang napakahina, paano mo susundan?
As you guys know, I'm Jeremy from Well. So what I learned today about leadership is that during our last 2 points from what I learned the most out of the rest is that we must, as a leader,
Pagkagalingan sa